Hey everybody, this is Tyler with Three Rivers Park District and the Outdoor Recreation School. This week on Try It Tuesday, I am introducing the Make a Map Challenge. A map is so much more than just a piece of paper that indicates where you've been or where you're going, but a map can truly tell a story. So this week I encourage you to go outside on an adventure or an exploration close to your home. A walk, a bike ride, a hike, anything that you can think of, and make a map that documents where you've been. Use the map to tell your story. Describe the conditions of your experience. Describe some physical landmarks, some natural landmarks that you saw. What type of natural observations did you see around you or did you hear, such as the birds chirping, cool trees that you saw, ponds, wetlands, or lakes? Recently, I went on an adventure, a bike ride on the Lake Minnetonka LRT Regional Trail, and I made a map that documented my experience passing by one of my friends' houses, a department store, over the bridge, along the Minnehaha Creek. So I encourage you to get outside on an adventure, make a map that describes your experience in your adventure, tells your story, and then post that map in the comments below. Now, some key things that a map should include a compass rose, which is a directional arrow that indicates the orientation of your map. Additionally, it should include a key, which can define some key objects or symbols that you're using on your map as well. I hope you can get outside, go on a great adventure, and look forward to seeing the final maps and your final product on our Facebook comments below. Have a great day.